Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Cash App on a new phone. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your new phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android. Search for Cash App and confirm the developer is Block, Inc. before downloading. Install the app and wait until the installation is fully completed. Open Cash App from your home screen. On the first screen, tap Sign In if you see it, or choose the option that says Login. Select whether you want to sign in using your phone number or your email address. Enter the same phone number or email you used for your Cash App account on your old phone. Tap Next or continue to request a verification code. Check your SMS messages or your email inbox for the Cash App code. Enter the verification code exactly as it appears, then continue. If prompted, allow the app to access notifications so you can receive security alerts. If you have a Cash App PIN, enter your PIN when asked to finish signing in. If you forgot your PIN, tap the option that says Forgot PIN and follow the reset instructions. If your account uses Touch ID or Face ID, enable it only if this is your personal phone. When you reach the home screen, confirm you see your correct $cash tag and profile icon. Tap your profile icon to open your account settings. Check that your phone number and email are correct and up to date. If you change your phone number, add the new number and verify it from the settings menu. If Cash App asks for identity verification, follow the prompts and upload the requested details. Go to the Security and Privacy section and review your security options. Turn on extra security features, if available, such as security lock or additional confirmation steps. If you previously had a linked bank account, check the linked bank section to confirm it is still connected. If your bank is missing, tap Add Bank and follow the on-screen instructions to link it again. If your Cash Card is linked, open Cash Card and confirm your card status and shipping details. Send a small test payment to a trusted contact to confirm everything works correctly. If you cannot receive the code, tap Help and choose the option for account access or code issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.